mga magulang ni Cambray, ay ialay sa inyo si Cambray sa inyong presensya tulad ng aming Panginoon sa Kristo na siya'y inalay nang siya ay bumaba dito sa lupa bilang pagtanaw ng buhay ay nagmumula sa inyo. Saksi ang mga magulang, kaibigan, kapatid. Narito po kami lahat upang ibalik sa inyo ang pasalamat at ialay sa inyo si Cambray sa inyong kapangyarihan. Sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Rolling out of bed, just another morning. Gotta get to work so I can sleep the weekend. Holla at a new friend for a cup of coffee. Hey, what's your name? Hey, what's your name?
Hi anak, una sa lahat, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish namin ng daddy mo sana maging masunurin kang bata at may takot ka sa Diyos. Susuportahan ka namin sa lahat ng gusto mo. Again, enjoy your day and happy birthday anak.
Happy birthday sa bunso ko. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at masunurin sa magulang mo.
Come on, tell me, are you ready to go? I just popped in to say hello. What's up? What's up? Ran into an old friend, we can talk for hours. But I'm on the move, there's things I gotta do now. I gotta sweeten up the taste and be on my way. Hey, that was cool. Hey, that was cool. Hey, that's right. Hello, hey, goodbye. Hey, that's right. Hello, hey, goodbye. Hey, that's right. Hello, hey, goodbye. Hey, that's right. Hello, what's up? What's up? What's up? Come on, tell me, are you ready to go? I just popped in to say hello. What's up? What's up? What's up to my cousin? What's up to my friend? What's up to my stepbrother's old girlfriend? What's up to the mailman and the policeman too? What's up to the sun and the sky so blue? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Happy birthday, Billy!